This recording is done to help you visualize and meet a person who is a perfect match to your energies. This is Tina guiding you through this manifestation meditation. Take 3 deep breaths and calm your mind. Inhale, exhale and relax. Inhale, exhale and relax. Once more, inhale deeply. Exhale and relax. Now taking your attention to your third eye, that is the bindi point between your eyebrows. I need you to imagine a tiny version of yourself standing in your third eye. I repeat, you are visualizing a tiny version of yourself standing in your own third eye. From there, you jump into an energy portal outside your body. It is like an energetic gate. You enter from this gate and you see a bright pink light surrounding you. Now you see an energetic being coming towards you. You are unable to see his or her face, but that's okay. Do not try to force a face on this figure. Simply know that this energetic being is your soulmate, who is a true match to your energies. You see a shower of pink light falling on him or her. And now you visualize a ray of golden light coming from their heart center, that is the center of their chest, from their heart chakra, connecting to your heart chakra. And now you see this ray of light going back and forth between both your hearts. You both are totally covered in a bright pink light from head to toe, and both your hearts are connected with a ray of golden light. Now, with the power of your imagination, visualize this golden ray of light converting into a symbol of infinity that is connecting your heart with theirs. I allow you some relaxed moments to soak in this power of love energy. Keep imagining the symbol of infinity connecting both your hearts. You also feel a bubble of white light surrounding you both. At this moment, this is God's light protecting you in all directions. This is universe's way of hugging and protecting you for finding love and comfort in each other. When you are ready, give a warm hug to your person. Tell him or her that you will meet again in this 5D consciousness till you are able to manifest each other in the three-dimensional reality. In fact, in the 5D, you are always united with your soulmate. This energy portal is getting closed now. Say bye to each other. Come back and enter your body from the third eye. Feel the sensations in your body. Move your hands and feet. Shake your fingers. Come back to the present moment awareness. Five, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Gently open your eyes. It is advisable to practice this meditation every night before sleeping for a minimum time of 3 weeks. Every night, after practicing this manifestation meditation, you also have to learn to let it go. Do not get attached to the concept of soulmate. Yes, they will manifest for sure, but it is important to know first that we are our own soulmate, and have the faith that universe will bring us the person who we so desire and who is a true match to our positive energy. We must all work on becoming our soulmate first. Thank you.